So, hello, once again I'm back on my not so old and certainly not so new Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, running Nobara Linux 43, KDE Plasma 6.5.5 on Wayland. Before I will continue, I would like to show you the system's information. First, we will use the GUI, system settings, about this system, boom, Nobara Linux 43, KDE Plasma 6.5.5, Wayland. The processor is AMD Ryzen 7 5800H. The memory is 16 GB and the SSD is 1 TB. And the system has NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 mobile GPU or Max-Q. And now we will use the terminal. Here, even more details. Nobara Linux 43, yada yada yada. Running the system on native resolution of the screen 2560 by 1600 at 165 Hz. Of course, you can see all the other details that I have already mentioned, but yeah, you can pause the stream, pause the video later on the YouTube channel, and done deal. And this is the information of the system. Now, as I was saying, as I promised the other day, today I'm streaming using the hardware encoder on the Kick service and recording locally, and yeah, that didn't sound right, did it? I'm streaming on Kick service and recording locally using hardware encoding of the NVIDIA graphics. However, just like the other time, once again I could not do it using the HEVC codec. It had to be H.264 basically. Let me show you. Settings, output, video encoder on streaming, hardware, and NVENC H.264, and same thing for video encoder. I can show you but I cannot use this one, the HEVC. Not for streaming at least, but yeah. Other than that, I think it's still 25 FPS, still on full HD the stream. And yeah, let's resume. Let me check. Okay, I will pause the stream on my tab. And also I promised that I will show you how the system performs while having the Final Fantasy game loaded. Let me see something. Okay. I will have to enter my code, my authentication code. Hopefully I will have the time. Yes, nice. And also, as I said the other day, this game, it may not be very tough on the hardware, but it's not light either, especially when we have to consider that this system is about 5 years old, maybe 6 years old by now. And also the game had quite a few upgrades for the GPU requirements and the CPU requirements, and if I remember, RAM as well. So yeah, although not compared to another modern game, that it's not that heavy on the system requirements, still quite a test. And especially when we will try to access a hub city like we will do now with my character. Let's see. I didn't have time to play the game, not as much as I wanted to do, but yeah, it is what it is. Let's see. Got few levels, got few gear upgrades, and I'm quite glad how the system performs. It's like, to be honest, maybe it feels a little bit better than the XFCE systems, but other than that, yeah, I can't say too much on this matter. This is normal. This has nothing to do with the hardware. It's more like the server that I'm trying to connect to access. Okay, so yeah, I have the game on purpose at 30 FPS because the system heats up while playing the game faster than I like it to do. But other than that, yeah, doesn't has any problem, any issues. Yeah, no problem at all. Even though I'm at the hub city, running around, no problem whatsoever. Quite nice. Let's traverse a bit longer. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. And yeah, all the other blue bars are real players. As I said, this is a hub city, plenty of people going on around. Anyway, as you can see, the system performs quite well, no problem. Zoom in, out, running around. Yeah, quite good. And let's try to open a few apps. Let's go, for example, for GIMP. Let's go with a GIMP. Let's open up a file. Excuse me. Let's do this one, for example. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. Let's open another one. Again, I did the same mistake. I want LibreOffice Write to open. I'm trying on to be fast and I'm doing mistakes. This is something that you have seen me doing in my past streams and videos. No problem whatsoever. Let's keep on going. Let's open up this one. I will try to open a small project like I did the other day. Let's keep it like this. And this test. Okay. Aha, I must have done something to the project. No, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Maybe it was missing some proxies or whatever. I don't mind. I'm not going to work with the system. Anyway, I'm going to load a few more stuff. Like this, like this. The terminal is already loaded, like this. Like so. The browser is already open. Let's open up Audacity as well. Yeah. So as you can see, streaming, recording, instantly back to the game. No problem whatsoever. Not bad for an old system and an obscure operating system, as many would like us to believe. Yeah, no problem at all. No problem. Boom, 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 boom. You love to see it, or at least I do. I don't know about you, but I do. Yeah, no problem whatsoever. I love it. Anyway, no need to do this any longer with the game, I mean. And we are out just like that. Let's close up a few apps. Okay, so browser only left and the OBS. Yeah, all seem to go just fine, no problem whatsoever. Yeah, one more thing, I still haven't, I didn't have the time to experience the system update using the Flatpaks, I mean. Oops. Uh-oh! What? Do I have the wrong keyboard? What is going on? Yeah. I was mistyping or I had the wrong keyboard. Anyway. So yeah, at least earlier in the day I didn't get the chance to have this, to make sure if it updates the Flatpaks just fine. I have no updates and I will go to the flat post because I think the main updater updates the Flatpaks as well. Yeah, empty. Nothing. Anyway, eventually we will get the chance to experience this. Also, I have another thing in mind for customization purposes, but I will let you on about it maybe when I will succeed on doing it. And if I will manage to do this, of course I will include it in my guide when I will release it, of course, for Nobara Linux. And yeah, what else? Oh yeah, and sound wise, besides the very first recording slash YouTube video that I made regarding the Nobara, and maybe today's video, I'm not sure about today's video, the in between I had no issues with the sound, no crackling noise, nothing. So maybe it was something related to a bad update, or maybe I didn't have I didn't update the system properly the first time, or didn't update it at all. I don't recall. So yeah, no problem whatsoever, at least on the recordings. And my guess is maybe on the streams as well. I don't think the streams had any issues either. Anyway, quite pleased with Nobara. I had help from another person regarding a few things, hence the idea about my new customization. And yeah, we are getting there. Anyway, before I will leave, I'll just remind you quickly about GloriousEggroll once again. I feel like I'm obliged to do this. You can go to YouTube, to my channel, and on my latest videos, on the video description below, I have been including this part here, the man, the myth, the GloriousEggroll, and I'm proposing for you to watch 3 videos regarding this person, Thomas. I don't want to botch his name. Anyway, I think it's Schreider, Thomas Schreider, but maybe I'm saying this way too wrong. Anyway, these 3 videos, please take your time to watch them. Why you should game on Linux, talk with the creator of Nobara, and interview with GloriousEggroll. Just watch them, and if you like the people behind these channels, subscribe, like, and share the knowledge, the wisdom, the love. Yeah, I think this was it for today. Yeah, I think this is it. Once again, thank you much for everything, and see you on the next one. Bye!